This is Elizabeth from Gabriel Family Adventures, and today I'm going to share with you a few tips on using an electric scooter in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. So we just got back from Brazil and we used Uber a lot. It's very affordable. The currency rate, exchange rate for US dollars is very favorable because it's 4-to-1. But another way to get around if you're feeling a little adventurous is to use an electric scooter. All right, so our bike tour got canceled, so we are going to try our hand at a scooter. So we downloaded the Lime app and now we're gonna try to rent them and not crash and kill ourselves. And there's a couple different companies that have them throughout the city, but the one that I saw a lot of places and that we were familiar with is Lime, because Lime also is prevalent in the United States. So it's a very simple process. You just download the app onto your phone, and then the app will do kind of a location service to see where there's scooters, and there happened to be some right next to our Airbnb. So we walked outside and around the corner and had 4 scooters for us. And what you can do is you can book a group ride or you can book individually. And one nice thing is that whomever starts the reservation and whoever books their scooter, they can share a code that will allow their friends to unlock a scooter for free. So I'll share a code with you if you want to unlock a scooter for free, save a little bit of money. And then you can prepay for your scooter, and it's based on how long you use it. So you unlock it. In order to get the scooter started, you have to kind of give it a little kick and a little push. So it'll turn on and you'll see a light turn on, but it might not work right away if you press the handle. That's because it needs a little bit of a boost. So you just give it that little bit of boost and you are ready to go. It's really easy to use. I didn't feel super secure with it because I'm a clumsy person. So we cruised all around the walking running path from where we were staying in Ipanema over through Copacabana, and we wanted to go out to brunch in Copacabana. So we took our scooters all along and it was really fun. It was exciting, but again, because I'm not so sure-footed, it's not something I think I'll do again. But using the Lime app is really simple, and so I enjoyed that, and I enjoyed not having to struggle with some kind of translation when it comes to trying to use the device. And when you're done using it, you can just park your scooter, you take a photo of it, and you log off of your account, and then you're free to go and you're not going to get charged after that. So simple, easy process. If you like electric scooters, I definitely recommend it. It's an easy way to get around Rio. Another transportation tip for Rio, if you're thinking about how you want to get around and maybe you don't want to use an Uber, maybe you don't want to use an electric scooter, there's also the option of renting just a traditional bicycle. And the bikes there, you'll find them all over, especially in the major tourist areas. On the other side of our Airbnb, there was a huge lineup of orange bikes. And what you can do is you just go up to, they have kind of a stand, and you can book 1 bike, you can book 2 bikes, up to 4. And so one card can pay for everything. You can select your language to get started, and so we were able to select English, so it was a little easier for us. And it just walks you through the process just like renting a bike anywhere else. It's very simple. They give you a code, the code unlocks the bike. The only tricky thing comparing renting the bike to renting, say, an electric scooter is that you do need to find somewhere to drop it off. So you need to go find another bike stand in order to lock it in place, but they're all over. So they're really easy to find, especially if you're in kind of the major areas where it's high, densely populated. But I really loved using the traditional bike. I'm really comfortable on the bikes. You can stop and pull over. We stopped and got a beer at one point. They have a part of the front of the bike with some bungee cords so you can put your bag there so you don't have to worry about holding that. And it was pretty inexpensive. Overall, I would say I believe Uber for our group of 4 was the least expensive way to get around, but sometimes it's really fun to be outside, riding a bike or taking a scooter and having other options to get around. But overall, I enjoyed the bike the best. It was very simple, and I strongly recommend it if you're trying to find your way around Brazil. There's a lot of great bike paths, so it seems very safe and you can have a lot of fun. So if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to put those below and subscribe to this channel for more adventures in the future. Thank you.
Biking through Rio, Copacabana. There's bike trails along the coastline. I'm in my happy place. If you can get me on a bike, I can get anywhere.